Alrighty guys, next morning here, we got our wheels pulled out. We're going on the 2021. So that red is gonna look good with that chrome fork, chrome lower. It's gonna look good. We're gonna switch that out today. However, it's not really gonna make a difference because I thought our freaking outer fairing was gonna be done yesterday. It's actually gonna be done tomorrow, man. So we can't get that full look. So I might just hold this off until then so we can get the full shebang. But I don't know, we'll see. Meanwhile, we still got the 2021 on the truck, man. So let's go to the car wash and get this thing clean. Here we are. 2021, dirty as heck. Can't wait to freaking knock the dust off this thing so we can really see the potential. Like the dirt is literally making this thing look so whooped, more whooped than it is rather. But we gonna get it together, man. Let's load this thing up and get out of here. Now I am gonna take these bags off because these things are pretty much all the way gone. It's no saving these bad boys. Yeah, it's no saving them at all. Now this bottom half may be good. I think I got a bottom half. I don't know if it's the other side. I'll check it out. Is it cracked? No cracks. No cracks on this one. I gotta see if I got a bottom half like this one really quick. Dang, I do, but it's the left side as well. Thought we was gonna have some stretch bags on there. All right, man. New car wash. I told y'all last go around that was the last time we was gonna be there, and I haven't checked it out, but I'm sure it's closed, man. But we got a cool little car wash. I guess we're gonna get it cracking, man. So I'm gonna set y'all up on the cam. We're gonna get it going, dog. Alrighty, guys. Woo, we got this thing cleaned up already. That black is hitting, and with only 500 miles, you really can't get no cleaner than this on the black. I mean, he ain't got a chance to roll nowhere. So it's definitely a fresh black on this joint. Just got to fix the front end up. But furthermore, man, let's get this to the house and offload this joint. I can't wait. Just made it back to the crib. Got that thing cleaned up. Definitely need to wipe it down one more good time, but definitely cleaner than it was yesterday, and it looks a whole lot better, man. I can't wait. I'm already seeing the potential. So let me get this thing off the back so I can show you guys, and you guys can see the potential. Got this thing pulled off the truck, looking really good. This black is really hitting, dog. It is really hitting. I ain't gonna even hold you. Looks really good, really fresh. I'll show you guys the damage in a second, but let's just take it all in real quick. Does look good. Not that bad of a fix, honestly. Should be pretty simple. Gas tank is a little bit damaged there. Now I'm thinking about like a nice purplish burgundy and silver. Like the burgundy is going to be more so purplish, but then again, I don't know. I was thinking about a teal as well, like the new 2021 teal colors. I've seen one of those. Those things look nice. So I just don't know what color I want to do just yet. But meanwhile, mama about to get jumping. Clean it. Clean it. She's like, yeah, man, it's time to go up. You cleaning? Okay, cool. Thank you. Appreciate it. So anywho, We got our front end here. Let's see if this light works. Oh, we got some action up here. Okay, bet. Light works. Let's see if radio works. Radio works. Gauges work. I don't know. We got to see what's up with that fuel gauge. Probably not even connected. I don't know. It's here though. We'll get it situated. But meanwhile, not too much stuff. Damage gonna need a new inner and outer, which we already have on order. Might need a pair of new speaker pods. Pretty much this whole front end up here. It's not that difficult. It's just very tedious. And finding what you want to do. Well, finding the right parts rather, but does seem pretty fair. You cleaning? Okay. Good job. But all in all, it does look good, man. We're going to get this thing wiped down, cleaned up more thoroughly. And then we'll get a first start up on this thing here soon. Alrighty guys, we got this thing cleaned down. We'll wipe down rather. It does look good. Take a quick close up. It looks really good, man. The front end shouldn't be hard at all, being that we have the other road glide over there, so we can literally just go back and forth and see what we need or what we missing rather. However, only thing that I am seeing is this brake cylinder. So we need a new master cylinder or whatever for the rear brake rather. So that one's totally whooped. But other than that, do seem pretty good. Now this crash bar is scraped up. I was gonna say it could be Sage, it's powder coated, but this thing is pretty grinded down. Need another engine guard, so no big deal there. Inner and outer, of course, is already on the way. I love this black. It would be great to keep it black, but you guys know, man, I feel like I gotta throw my sauce on there, man. I don't know what y'all think. All black with a little bit of gold. No, I'm just playing. No gold on this one. But it is looking nice and all that, man. So we'll see if we can get a first start here. Check it out. See, let's see. 578 miles on this bad boy. There it is. 2021. 578 miles on this bad boy. Of course, it's silent. It's got a stock pipe. Dude didn't even have time to do anything, being that he didn't ride it like that, man. So I guess that just gives us our time to shine, dog. So everything is working. Pretty dope bike, man. We got the other 21 Road Glide Special over there. This is the all blacked out version of that. So really dope. Back end is in good running condition. Lights and stuff work. Everything is good there. And like I said, it's just that rear brake over there, but hand controls, everything like that is all good. It's just this front end, inner and outer, a couple little broken little tabs or whatnot. But should be a pretty smooth transition, man. We'll see how well we get this thing looking. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. I'm digging it. Can we get a little vroom vroom? Yeah, it's pretty silent, man. I'm gonna take it on a little rip around the complex, but we'll see what's up real quick. And guys, I definitely just took this thing on a cruise around the complex, man. This thing is freaking smooth. The front end feels really good. Doesn't feel like anything is bent and or twisted. So we're good up here on the front end. Literally just cosmetic stuff, man. So you guys know that's like my favorite, man. So can't wait to put this my scheme on this, man. This is like a blank canvas right now, man. So what y'all think? Y'all got any colors, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. If y'all haven't entered for this giveaway, man, I'm giving away this 2021. You guys already know my style, man, and how I'm gonna come with it, man. So Wheels will be done in a couple days. We're waiting for the inner and outer and the bag so we can take this thing to the paint shop and have this thing looking like a one of one, man. So if you guys haven't entered, head over to everythingsregular.com. Go get your hat and you'll be entered into the giveaway. Meanwhile, we got our CVO here and our Road Glide special. Now, if you guys enter for these, man, the list is on my YouTube, so head over to my community post if you want to know your number and all that good stuff. Meanwhile, we do have these wheels here, man, so I low-key want to pull this one out, at least put this wheel on. You guys know that back wheel is always going to give me some trouble, man, so I'm not really pressed to do it right now. Might just wait till the next video, but we'll see what happens. However, you guys see the bike, though. I'm loving it. What do you guys think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. So alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Shout out to everybody out there tuning in, because you guys can be anywhere in the world today, but you're here with me right now on this channel, man. So please subscribe. If you like the video, man, give your boy a thumbs up. I definitely appreciate it. We went to go pick up our 2021 Road Glide special today, man. When we got it, it was looking like a mess. Super dirty, everything, all the above. But now that we cleaned it up, it is looking freaking like it could be a one-on-one, man. So can't wait. That thing is gonna look great. Drop some ideas on the colors below, man. I'm trying to figure out what color I wanna paint this thing. The wheels will be silver. Silver in whatever color we do. So just keep that in mind when you're giving your ideas, man. So you guys already know how it's going, man. The 2021 Road Glide special will be up for grabs, along with something else I got, man. So if you guys want to be entered into the next giveaway and you missed out on these two, man, head over to everythingsregular.com right now. Copy you a red, blue, and white Everything's Regular hat, and you'll be entered into the giveaway, man. So all in all, fun day. Pretty cool pickup. I'm excited, man. I can't wait. Literally rode this thing around and it's freaking smooth as heck, man. So we'll see how it works out, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace. And make sure you tune in tomorrow, man. We're going live at 6 p.m. Sunday. Yes, we're giving away these two bikes. We're seeing where they're going, man. So stay tuned. Can't wait.